Hello friends, today we shall learn an amazing technique using the regular VLOOKUP function in Excel. Suppose your manager asks you to present some employee details to him, such as employee names, employee IDs, and their dates of joining. He might ask you to quickly tell him any employee's date of joining from employee name. As you can see, we have various employees along with their IDs and dates of joining. Now, if you see closely, the sequence of all the employees and their dates of joining are not linear. That is, Robert's employee ID is 100 and 1,234, but the same ID is in row 11th in the column D and the date is August 10th, 23. So, a normal VLOOKUP would not return the correct value. So is there any solution for this? Well, yes, Excel has every solution for you. Here, we have two lookup values. One is the employee name and the second is the employee ID. So we can use the double VLOOKUP method where we can keep the lookup value dynamic. Let's see how it can be done. We have a drop-down for the employee names, as you can see. Then in cell E3, we need the date of joining for the selected employee. So we type in is equal to VLOOKUP, then we shall select the cell B3, that is the employee name, as the lookup value. Then under the table array, we need to select the first table from A7 to B18, then column index as 2 as we need the employee ID for the employee name, and under the range lookup we shall add 0, and then click on enter. You can see we have received the employee ID for Harry. Now, we have created the dynamic lookup value for our double VLOOKUP. So, to find out the date of joining, we shall edit the same formula and add another VLOOKUP before the original VLOOKUP, and the entire original VLOOKUP would become the lookup value in this case. So after comma, we need to select the table array for the second VLOOKUP. So we shall select cells from D7 up to E18, then column index as 2 and then lookup range as 0 for exact match. Close the bracket and hit enter. Now, the formula has returned the date, but the format has to be changed. So, to keep the same format of the dates as appearing in the below table, we shall right-click on cell E3, then go to Format Cells, then under Custom Format, remove General Type and add DD-3x M-YY and enter. There you go. We have successfully fetched the joining date for Harry, based on two lookup values. You can see that Harry's employee ID is 203111, and his date of joining is May 12th, which is correct. We can select any employee, and we have their dates. Interesting, isn't it? So in this way, you can use the double VLOOKUP method even when your table arrays are in another worksheets or even in other workbooks. This can save a lot of your productive time. Friends, I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If yes, please share it with your Excel buddies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.